Abigail, is that peanut butter? Abigail?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter? Are you cleaning it?
Cleaning?
Mm-hmm. Is that how you clean it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I see your face? Look, you got a little mustache. What about that hand? Look at that hand. Oh, yummy. Peanut butter. Good job cleaning. You should eat your popsicle before it melts. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, we're going to have to clean you up.